Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Robin Elms. Today I'm giving a mini review of crypto.com and Coinbase, which are apps that allow you to invest in cryptocurrencies. I'm also going to be sharing with you how you can get some free money in the form of a referral bonus when you use my link in the description box below for both crypto.com and Coinbase. These two apps are really helpful for investing in cryptocurrencies. First, let's talk about Coinbase. Coinbase was the first cryptocurrency app that I used. Initially, I deposited £10 because I was very skeptical about the whole thing. My first ever cryptocurrency bought on Coinbase was Algorand. The reason why I picked it was because it was under £1 and I thought it had a lot more room to grow. Initially, I only actually invested £2 in Algorand, and when I went to actually buy it, I noticed that Coinbase was going to charge me 99p for the transaction. So even though I wanted £2 in Algorand, I ended up only investing £1 and 1p into Algorand. So pretty much half of my money went on fees. I think it's good that they don't have any barrier to entry and you can literally put £2 on something, but their fees to me seem very, very high. It makes a lot more sense when you're investing, say, £100, because that's only roughly about £1 going towards the Coinbase fees. However, 1% is still 1%, and I did actually notice that on some of them it charges you £1.99, which is a bit mad. They also do charge fees for when you are selling as well. They don't charge you for converting though, which is good. So let's say that you have Bitcoin and you want to sell it for Ethereum. You can just do a transaction where you just swap them over and they don't charge you a fee for that. Another good thing about Coinbase is that you can actually learn about cryptocurrencies that are on their platform, and they will pay you to learn about them. They give you the reward in the cryptocurrency that you're learning about. I did quite a lot of different quizzes and I got roughly about £30 worth free in cryptocurrencies, and you can actually withdraw it as well. As a platform, Coinbase is okay. It's all right. It has most of the things that you would need. However, it is quite limited with how many cryptocurrencies it has on there. For example, I was really interested in investing some of my money into Dogecoin, and it doesn't have that on the platform. It has it for you to see what it's doing and the trend, but you can't actually buy any on that platform at the time of recording this video. So that forced me to have a look at what else was out there, and that's when I discovered crypto.com, and I love crypto.com. With crypto.com, you can invest your money into Dogecoin, which I was quite happy about, and there is also other cryptocurrencies as well. Another cool thing about crypto.com is that you can buy gift cards. I really love their platform because it's just my kind of platform. I don't know how to explain it, but I just really love crypto.com. Everything, I love the logo. There's so many different things that you can look at. You can save things as your favorite. You can do that on Coinbase as well, but I just prefer the one that's on crypto.com. Okay, so this is my favorite thing about crypto.com. You can actually have a physical card that you can use to buy items with. You can go and do your Aldi shop, your Tesco shop, wherever you go and do your shopping. You can pay with your card and get cash back in the form of cryptocurrencies to just add to your wealth. Just for doing your normal shop, you can get cash back. They've got various different cards available on their platform. You can use the card at any place that accepts Visa as form of payment. It's not a credit card, it's a prepaid card, which is very similar to a debit card. In essence, you have to top up within the app and then you can go and spend it. If you want to get higher cash back, you need to stake certain amounts of money. So for example, the card that I've applied for is called the Ruby card, and with the Ruby card, I've had to stake £300 worth of their native currency called the CRO coin for 180 days. What that means is that money's going to stay there for 180 days. It could go up, it could go down in value, it doesn't matter, it stays there. Because I've done that, that entitles me to 2% cash back on everything that I spend. I'm going to get it back in the CRO coin, their native coin. Once I've received it, I can then put it into whatever cryptocurrency I want to have, or even withdraw it as cash, but I'm going to keep it in there. So there are various different cards. The first card that they have is made out of plastic, and that one you don't have to stake any money. You can just apply for the card and you've got the card and you'll get 1% on everything that you spend. Now for me, I was like 1%, 2% is much better. I put £300 in and now I can use that card and buy whatever I want to and get cash back on everything that I spend as long as it is accepted by the merchant. Also with the Ruby card, that entitles me to up to 100% off of any Spotify payments that I make using my Ruby card. So that's another really nice bonus. They have other cards available. One of their cards, you actually need to stake £300,000 worth in CRO, their native token, which is just a mad amount of money. I'm sure there'll be people out there that do have that kind of money lying around. And it's very interesting that the more money you put into the platform, the more you can get out of it. Let's say you've established that you definitely want to try either one or both of these platforms and you want to take advantage of their referral bonus. I'm just going to tell you a little bit about them now. I do have my referral links below. If you want to invest your money on Coinbase, make sure you use my link in the description box below and top up your account by at least $100 and invest that money into a cryptocurrency of your choosing. Then Coinbase will give you $10 free money. So that's the equivalent of investing about £71 and getting about £7 for free. And if you're going to invest the money anyway, why not get some free money while you're at it? If you're interested in crypto.com, make sure you use my link in the description box below, and then when you've got your account open, stake at least placed £300 worth of CRO coin for at least 180 days. That will then give you about $25 worth of free money from crypto.com, which is the equivalent of about £17 worth of free money. And after the 180 days, you can then withdraw your £300 worth of CRO coins, which could have gone up or down, but most likely they would have gone up. And by staking £300 worth of CRO coins, you will automatically be eligible for their Ruby card, which will get you that 2% cashback on everything that you buy. And you will receive that cashback in CRO tokens, which you can then use to buy whatever cryptocurrency you want to, or to withdraw it if you'd like, but I'd prefer to keep it in. Okay, I would recommend using both of these platforms, and then while you are using the platforms, you can decide which one is better for you. If I've forgotten to mention anything that I thought was really important, I will leave it in the description box below for you, so make sure you check that out. I hope this video has been really helpful. Sending you peace and love. Goodbye.